welcome back with the second puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, February the 27th 2024, and in this daily newspaper I've already solved one puzzle, the regular puzzle 3 stars, and we have 2 puzzles left, the JigSaw Sudoku and the 4 Stars Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but first these regular puzzles. News of today, well, I've told you earlier, the body is back, the body of Navalny. The Russians have given back to the mother of Navalny, and he will be the funeral will be held on March the 1st. Yeah, in Moscow. Well, enough politic news. 4 Stars Sudoku number 8084. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 stars puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. Usually the 4 stars puzzle has 24 printed digits. This one has 1 more. Should be a 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. I see here 1, 2, 3, 3 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 8 and 7. We have 8 and 7 in this big square, so no 8 and 7 in this box. 8 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 7, 8 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1. Alright, now let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers are the 6, the 3, and a 1. We have a 6, 3, and a 1 in this row. So no 6, 3, and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 6, 3, and a 1 goes in those 3 boxes. We have a 6 here. Here can be 6, so the 6 could be here, could be there. And a 3 and a 1 could be everywhere. So what are the other 2 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left the 8 should be there. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square. No. 1 of the missing number in this big square are the numbers. Is the number 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. Okay. Well, I need a 1, and I need a 3. Okay. 9. Alright. Need a 4. Need a 8 here. I'm thinking. 7. Need a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Four missing numbers now in this big square. Two of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and 8. We have 6 and 8 in this row, so no 6 and 8 in these two boxes. 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so two numbers left in this big square. For the most, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Right. And now, need a 6 here. Need an 8 here. I'm thinking. 1, 1. 2, 2. Well. 9, 9. We have a 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only two places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so the last column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, first row, no 2 there. 2 in the third row, no 2 there, so the only place left for the 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. 7, okay. 7. I'm thinking. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row, so in the third row. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Then 4, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot it in. Okay. Need a 1 here. Need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in this last row, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Alright, so we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so in the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. There's 6 here. Okay. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And an 8. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next to that column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. And let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left now in this row for number, I believe, the 7. Yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 4 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, here 1 number left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. Alright. Then. How about. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 here. 1, 5. And I need a 3 here. I'm thinking. Need a 6 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6 and a 5. We have a 6 and a 5 in this column, so no 6 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so I've eliminated here the 9. The 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 4 goes there. Okay, and now, then, 4, 5, need a 1 here. 1, 4, 5. Okay, 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 4. Well, we have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 in the third column, no 4 there. There's the only place left for the 4. It should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers, in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left for 4 is should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9 cannot fill. Oh, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. Alright, and now 6 and a 5, we have a 6 in this second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, although it has 1 less printed a digit. So I'm well pleased with time. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one here, so really do different. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the tectonic, aka JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.